In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a theme in ClickUp, Theme Setup 1326. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect on each screen, and a few practical tips to keep your workspace organized. First, open your browser and go to clickup.com. This is the official site for accessing your ClickUp workspace. If you're already signed in, you may be taken straight to your homepage. If not, you'll see the login options. Log in with your ClickUp account using the method you prefer. You can continue with email and password, or use a connected account like Google or another supported provider. Choose the option that's easiest for you and complete the sign-in. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one for the theme you want to create. You can switch workspaces after logging in if needed. Once you're in, you'll land on your ClickUp homepage. This is your command center, showing recent tasks, reminders, and what needs attention. We're heading to your account settings to manage themes, so look to the top right corner of the screen. In the top right, click your profile avatar or your name. This opens a drop-down menu with options for profile, notifications, and more. From this drop-down, click Settings. This will take you to the settings area for your account and workspace. On the settings page, look to the left sidebar and select Themes. This is where you manage user groups in ClickUp. Themes are super useful for assigning tasks, sharing access to spaces, and organizing departments or functional groups like marketing, product, or support. Here, you'll see a list of any themes that already exist in your workspace. Take a quick look to avoid creating duplicates. If something similar already exists, consider joining that theme instead of creating a new one. To create a new theme, look to the right side of the Themes page and click Create Theme. Enter a clear, descriptive name for your theme. A simple naming convention helps, for example, Design, Sales, North America, or Engineering Platform. Once you've typed the name, click Save. After saving, you can add members right away by clicking Add Members. Search for people by name or email and include everyone who should belong to this theme. Add only those who truly need access to reduce noise and keep permissions clean. You can always return later to add or remove members as your organization evolves. That's it. You've created a theme in ClickUp, named it, and added the right people. Remember, you can revisit the Themes section anytime to adjust membership or rename the theme as your needs change. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!